Tony. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Man took our picture. You guys ever have
Okay, welcome aboard everybody. I'm going to start with drink service. I'm just going to ask a couple of times.
I got to drive.
Okay, I'm almost finished here. Just give me a round of hands of people that might want drink service for adults. I'll give you a rundown of what I have. Mimosas, white wine, Pinot Grigio, Chardonnay, Stella Artois, Landchart, Dos Equis.
Left the area and also during Great Depression. And one time was when the decision change point on the Southern Railway Derby branch was over by the college.
It keeps going and going, don't it?
There's 100 plants in the munch. They plants 100 of them. That's a bit much.
A lot of tomatoes.
100 ain't nothing.
50 a day, and they had to work pretty much whenever they were told to, which is pretty good for a prisoner to get paid at all. $1.50 a day doesn't sound like much, but back then it was quite a bit. So there were quite a few prisoners that were working on this railway, and they were building the tunnel that we're about to go through up here, the Cowie Tunnel. So as the story has it, and I believe it to be true, and it's also documented in history, that the prisoners were going home after a long day of work or back to camp, the prison camp, and they were all in a boat shackled together. So the boat capsized. Everybody was deceased except for two people, one prisoner and one guard. So the prisoner helped the guard survive. He was the stronger of the two. He was able to get to the bank with the guard and decided he was going to steal from him. The guard had only like $5 in his pocket or in his wallet, and the prisoner took it. Little did he know that they were going to let him have a hero's reward of $100 and also be paroled for life and never have to work again on the railroad or be in prison. That wasn't good enough, so anyway, what happened was he got pretty much the Charlie, what they called in the old prison days, got executed. If somebody wasn't doing a good job, if they were dishonest or anything like that, it was simple. They would just tell them to look the other way and pow, that was it. So the tunnel that we're going to go through, all the prisoners that died on that wreck or in the wreck that they all drowned are buried on top of the tunnel that we're going through. There's no lake up there. There's no river up there. There's no type of water anywhere up there. But as legend has it, the water that's coming down the tunnel sides on each side of the tunnel is tears from the prisoners. And they're all still to this day buried on the very tippy top. So that's the legend of the Cowie Tunnel, and our conductor will tell you a little bit more about it. Is everybody comfortable right now? Okay, sounds good. I'm going to go check on some moonshine. If anybody wants a shot of moonshine, I'll be back around in just a couple minutes. I'm going to find out what flavors we have.
Show me one shot.
I don't ever know where I'm going to be. So yesterday was like